step by step, an easy way to learn English. Read this text. Walid's mother was going to work when she noticed a boy on the street. The boy was crying, so she stopped the car and went to see him. He told her that he was hungry and cold, and that he had no home. So she decided to go back home and take him with her. Walid was at home. He was watching TV. It was Saturday, and he didn't have to go to school. He was 16 years old. His mother asked him to give the child something to eat and to keep him at home till she returns from work.